Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to unlock your account on the Neteller web application. So now the first thing that I want you to do now is to access to your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Edge or anything, and then you will go to this neteller.com website and accept the cookies or reject them. So let's just reject all the cookies, and basically you will need to join with Neteller. So basically you are going to sign in if you have already an account, so just sign in, or otherwise you can just sign up, and you can do this by adding your personal informations, and then you will need to click on the register. So basically by that you will be able to create account, and after that you will need to log into this account that you have just created and click log in, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, you will find yourself in the main menu of the Neteller interface or the Neteller application. So to unlock your account, you will need to go to the support. So you will need just to go to a help center. Even if you log out or you have your account that is closed, just go to this support or the help center, and then search for the account closure, and go for how do I close, and then you will need just to click on contact us, and you will be able to contact the help center. So after that you will need just to give them the problem. You will give them these informations like the country, the category of the message, etc., and then you describe your message, and then you will send a message to the support or to customer services, and then you will describe your problem to them, and they will receive the message, and they will start emailing you, and they will solve your problem and unlock your accounts in case if it didn't like infringe some rules or policies of the Neteller application. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.